What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today on the Engineer Next Door, we're going to change our pre-filter in our well water system. So let's get at it. Alright, so this is pretty simple. All you're going to need is a replacement filter and a 5-gallon bucket or something to dump water in. Okay, what we need to do first is depressurize the system. Turn our water on to stop mode. That way no water rushes down as we're changing our filter out. So now that we got it on the red there, what we're going to do is this top filter piece, we're going to open this into a bucket. So we're going to depressure the top first. And there's a decent amount of water pressure in there, so it's going to take a little bit. And now that it's done dripping, we're going to close that guy up. And do a little on the bottom valve as well, just to reinsure. Should just be a little bit that comes out. And now we are depressurized. Alright, now that we depressurized the system, we need to take the filter off. So take your little handle here, lefty loosey. And just look at all the gunk and stuff, how nasty that is on the inside. So we're going to go ahead and clean that real quick before we put the new filter in. Just look at that water that comes out of that. That's what comes out of the well. And make sure you clean off this old lubricant that's on top, because we're going to apply a new layer. Okay, so just pull your old filter out. And just look at why we need to change this. You can see all the sediment, dirt, water, rock. That's what this filter catches. It's pretty gross, huh? Okay, here's your new filter. Hope you can kind of see this, but there's little threads in the new filter. And so what you got to do is stick this new filter up and catch the thread. And that's how you know it's tight. So okay, twist it on there to the right there, just like that. Good to go. Here's the thing, the lubricant. So what we're going to do is put new lubricant on the top ring here. And just give it a once peel over here, just like you would do with an oil filter. Okay, now we just need to put this back up. So up and righty-tighty. So it's opposite of what we did to take it off. Boop. And there we go. So what we need to do now is just turn it back on. Make sure there's no leaks. Perfect. Okay, and last but not least, I'd like to take a piece of, painter's tape, sticky note, whatever, write the date that we changed it on, and throw it right on the filter here. So that way there's no guess of when we changed the filter last. Alright, so my local water rep told me I need to change that filter about once a year, and if you have really dirty city water, you might want to change it every 6 to 8 months, but the water that I have around here is pretty good, so I'm going to change it once a year. Hope you learned something in this video. Like, comment, subscribe down below, and we'll see you in the next one.